You know who's not snoozing? The people killing it with their side hustles. So maybe it's time to hustle on down to the drawing board and get started on your own. And here's how you can.
Looking for a few extra bucks? A side hustle may be just the ticket. There's no better place to do the hustle than a wedding, so we tracked down Jen Glantz, whose hustling honeymoon began as a bridesmaid for hire.
I'm the bride's personal assistant, on-call therapist, social director, and peacekeeper.
What started as a dream is now a worldwide, hugely successful business. Here are Jen's proposals for a side hustle of your own. For starters, determine your secret sauce.
The world does not need any more copycat businesses, so as you're thinking of what kind of side hustle to consider, figure out what is your strength.
For Jen, that meant realizing she had a knack for keeping the peace at weddings.
Nobody in the billion-dollar wedding industry has the job of being there for the bride and her friends.
Which brings us to our next tip. Check out the competition.
Who else is out there? Look up their pricing, look up their packages, look at their marketing, and figure out what is good about what they're doing, what isn't working so well, and how can you do it different.
Next, just like a wedding, you gotta make it official.
Create a website. You can do that very easily and simply, practically overnight. Choose a name for your business. See if you need a trademark or a patent or any kind of license that you want.
Jen says get going on this sooner than later, cause
the last thing you want to do is put it off, turn on a TV show, and see that your business was created by somebody else.
Last and most importantly, spread the word.
You will not be successful if you are not your own marketing machine.
She says use social media and cross-promote with people in your industry.
You can even print t-shirts with your own business name and wear that around. That counts too.
And no matter what, just keep at it. Hey, it's called a hustle for a reason. Saying I do to your side hustle could be the start of a beautiful relationship.